is going on, guys? Today we're back with a brand new video, and today I'm pretty hyped because look what I'm using. Big camera. It's not mine though, I wish. But I'm using it for today for the car show. Maybe tomorrow for the truck pulls. I'm not 100% sure. But this video will be going up in part 1, and that would be this week's video. Next week's video is probably going to be the truck pulls. This is the car show. I'm only going to show some of it, and I'm going to have to put like music over it because I'm going to get copyright again, and I do not want to. So I'm probably just going to put music over it and not really talk too much. Just show a bunch of cars and whatever. Maybe talk a little, but I don't know. I don't want to get copyright. So, yeah, let's get into this. Oh, how do I shut it off? We've got a lot of freaking cars here. Look at these. I'll just walk down the one row, go down the other. Bumblebee. I like this scrub. I like scrub.
champion. That is 828789. Winner, come on up and see us. Alright, somebody's got $150 sitting up here. 828789. I'm sorry, 149. 828789. Looking for that winner. There he is, the last guy. The last guy in my run.
That is basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. The full video would not upload to YouTube because it was 21 minutes long. I have no idea why, but this is just the car show portion, so I hope you guys enjoyed. The truck pulls will go up next week, I'm hoping. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.